Good morning, students of class 10. Yeah, welcome back to the online classes now. Let's continue our lesson in history. So we are doing the nationalist movement in Indochina and we have reached 2.2, looking modern. First we have talked about talking modern, now we will talk about looking modern. So it was the French ideas to civilize the people of Vietnam. So now they have adopted various steps in order to civilize these Vietnamese people, the native people of Vietnam. So in our previous class we have talked about talking modern. Now we will talk about looking modern. Number one, there are altogether five points. The Tonkin Free School. The Tonkin Free School was started in 1907. Tonkin Free School is towards the northern part of Vietnam, which was occupied by French. So it was started, Tonkin Free School started in 1907 to provide Western style education. To provide Western style education, the French started Tonkin Free School. This education, this Western style education included science, hygiene and French. And these classes were held in the evening, which had to be paid for separately. During the day they had normal classes, but in the evening also they used to organize some classes, special classes in science, hygiene and French. And these classes had to be paid separately. So now here, number 3, it was not enough. They thought that it was not enough to learn science and Western ideas to be modern. To be modern, it is not enough to learn science and Western ideas. The Vietnamese had to also look modern. In order to modernize, they also have to look modern. So French thought in this way. And for that, what they did, let's see now. The school encouraged the adoption of Western style. The school encouraged the students to adopt Western style, such as having a short haircut. So the student had to keep very short hair, having a short haircut. So that means for the Vietnamese, this means that a major break with their own identity, because the Vietnamese traditionally they used to keep long hair. It was their tradition, but to look modern, the French adopted and the school also adopted that the student had to adapt to the modern looking and they had to keep their hair very short. So that means the student had to cut their hair. So for this, it meant a major break with their own identity, since they traditionally kept long hair. So traditionally they used to keep long hair. So to look modern, or in order to adopt modernization or to learn science, Western ideas about hygiene and other subjects, so they had to cut their hair. So in order to look modern, without short hair they were not allowed to enter the classes. So that means the Vietnamese student had to cut the hair very short, and traditionally they used to keep long hair. That means it was an attack towards their identity and culture. So, but many of the Vietnamese students from the elite classes, they cut their hair short and they adopted Western style of clothing and Western style of looking and Western ideas they adopted. So that was about this looking modern. There are only 5 points. So in our next class we will talk about, to be continued, 2.3. Right now we have done 2.2. So 2.3, resistance in school. The student, many of the other students, they resisted. Some events took place because the Vietnamese were discriminated in the classes. So the resistance in school took place. So school became a political ground, political field. So later on we'll talk about the resistance in schools, and here quite interesting event takes place that will add fuel to the fire. That means the revolution was going on, the people were against the foreigners or the colonizers, and the resistance in school took a new turn. So that is the that will be in the next class. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. You have paid so much attention and listen carefully. Since the day is also getting dark, can't see properly, so it's raining and quite gloomy days. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. And thank you very much for this. That's all.